Welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In today's video, I'll show you how can you create group on Botim app. If you want to create a group on Botim app and want to send a message at the same time to a number of people, then you could do this by creating a group. So for that, you want to go to the Play Store in order to update your application. So when you open up your Play Store or an App Store, on the search box you want to type in Botim. Once you type in Botim, check whether the app is updated or not. After updating it, so click the open button, log into your account, and you'll have successfully logged in. After you're logged into your account, this is how the home page is going to look like. Now next thing what you want to do is to create a group. Click the plus from the top right hand side corner, or drop down menu appears. Go ahead and click on new chat. As soon as you click on new chat, now what you want to do is click on new group. Here you want to go ahead and then add people that you wish to. Go ahead and select the people that you wish to add it to your group chat. So let me just go ahead and select it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to randomly add people. So let's see, these are the people. After which you want to click the arrow icon. Now give it a group or give it a name first of all. After which you could also go ahead and add a profile picture. If you want to do it, so click the tick button, and with no restriction you'll have successfully created a group on Botim app. So that's the way you could go ahead and create group on Botim app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.